Doing Lasio Keratin Treatments in your salon? Let's talk about the Lasio Backbar Essentials. First up, the Clarifying Shampoo. This powerhouse is designed to deeply cleanse the hair and remove buildup oils and impurities. It opens up the cuticle, creating the perfect canvas for keratin to penetrate effectively. It's a must-have before every Lasio treatment. To prep the hair for the treatment, be sure to clarify the hair 2 to 3 times. For color-treated hair, use the Replenishing shampoo instead to protect the tone. This leads us into our Replenishing shampoo. This is your post-treatment go-to. It gently cleanses without stripping the hair and is enriched with keratin to help lock in the treatment results. Think of it as a daily support for smoother, stronger, longer-lasting keratin-treated hair. Now finish with the Replenishing conditioner. Formulated to hydrate and restore treated hair, this lightweight conditioner detangles, softens, and enhances shine without weighing the hair down. It's infused with keratin to reinforce the treatment and keep strands sleek, silky, and frizz-free. Style as desired. These 3 are your secret to flawless keratin results. Get the full backbar system and elevate every service with Lasio.